James?
Hmm?
Where is Lily?
Sophie has her. No, I don't.
Where is my baby?
Lily, where are you?
James!
Oh no. Oh no, no.
This doesn't look different.
What do you mean?
The airport, it looks the same as our airport.
All airports look the same inside.
Then what's the point of coming? Josh, we haven't left the airport yet.
Oh,
Look at all the people, look at all the lights. I know, very exciting.
taxi's waiting outside. Should be a blue car, David.
How do you know his name?
It's in the app.
There's an app that tells you the driver's name?
There's an app for everything now, Mira.
Is there an app that finds lost shoes?
Not yet.
Someone should make that. Write to them when we get home.
Oh, it is different outside.
Yeah.
The sky looks bigger.
The sky is the same everywhere, Josh.
I don't think so. This looks beautiful.
Yes, it is really beautiful. Good afternoon. Welcome. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under the name Carter. James Carter.
She's doing a lot of typing. That's not good. One moment, please.
Of course.
Found it. All set. Mr. Carter, I have your booking here. 2 rooms.
That's right, one for us, one for the children.
Yes, the children's room is on the 3rd floor.
And our room?
Your room is on the 7th floor.
The 7th floor.
Yes, I'm sorry. We had some changes today. We can put you on the same floor tomorrow.
We're only here 2 nights.
I understand. I'm very sorry. The rooms are both lovely. Can the children's room connect to another room on the 3rd floor? Let me check. Yes, room 304 connects to room 306. I can put you both there. It's 1 double room and 1 twin room. That works.
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you. We're checking in.
Excuse me,
Yes?
is there a pool?
There is, on the ground floor.
Wonderful, thank you.
Dad,
We'll go soon, buddy.
how late is the pool open?
9 o'clock. Good. Thank you.
Come on, let's go.
3rd floor, here we come.
Yay, let's go. Wow, our room.
This room is small.
It's a hotel room.
Our bathroom at home is bigger.
Josh,
I'm just saying. I like the room. It's cozy.
cozy means small.
Cozy means cozy.
Okay, this is room 306.
Let's see it. Let's go see. Ella's getting heavy. Oh, a cot. Perfect for Ella. And look at that view.
Ah, see, I told you.
James,
Oh, that's nice.
that's very nice.
What are you? Oh, wow.
What is it? Is that the beach? Yes. It's right there.
It is.
Can we go now?
Josh, we just landed. We need to...
Please, Dad. Josh, Ella needs to sleep for 1 hour. I know you are hungry, so we should eat something. Then, beach.
Wow, Josh, look at that. It's so beautiful.
We made the right choice.
Yes, we did.
How long does it take to eat a sandwich?
As long as it takes.
I'm nearly done.
You've had 3 bites.
Big bites. Josh, eat properly. The beach will still be there.
What if the tide comes in?
Then we swim.
Wait, we can swim?
If the sea is calm and we stay close.
Nobody told me we could swim. Josh, eat properly. Okay, Mom, I'm eating properly. Before the beach, everyone gets sunscreen. I don't think I need it. My skin is perfect. You do. I never burn. You burned at the school sports day last year. That was different. Your nose was red for a week.
The sun was very strong that day. I'll do my own. Thank you, Mira.
That's my girl. Josh, when Mom says sunscreen, you say yes every time, okay?
Okay, fine.
That's the rule.
Okay, Dad.
Good boy.
Dad, I'm not a boy. I'm a little man now. She wants some too.
You don't eat that, my love.
She's very determined. I wonder where she gets that.
Maybe from her mom.
No, it's from her dad.
This is amazing. It's so big.
That's the Atlantic Ocean.
The Atlantic Ocean?
Well, a small part of it.
Dad, that's the Atlantic Ocean. I've seen it on the map.
You have.
The Atlantic Ocean. Wow, Dad, look at the waves.
They are beautiful, buddy.
Let's walk on the beach.
Great idea. Let's go.
This is the best day. Why aren't they moving?
I don't know.
They've been like that for 4 minutes.
I know. Should we give them a minute?
Dad, don't move.
I'm not moving.
It's right there,
I can see it, Josh.
between us and the water.
I know where it is.
We could go around it.
And step on another one?
How many do you think there are?
I don't know. That's the problem.
Is it alive?
Yes, it is.
But this jellyfish is not moving.
They don't really move, Josh. They just float.
This one isn't floating. It's just there,
I know.
on the sand.
Josh, I know.
Mum, I think they're scared of something.
Yes, I think so too.
You just...
There's food on the blanket. Come and eat.
She's not scared of anything.
No, she's not.
We were going to move. We were just waiting for the right moment.
Absolutely. Where's Josh?
He was here a minute ago.
Mary, where's Josh?
He was with you.
Okay. Don't panic.
James,
He can't be far. He was just here.
he'll be okay, right? Yes, he'll be okay.
And that one there, that's a hermit crab. And this shell is called a whelk. W-H-E-L-K. That's a hard word. But you can remember it because it sounds like whelk, like a walk, a whelk, a walk. Get it? Never mind, the point is, this crab lives in this shell. It's his house. He carries it everywhere. Why? Because he doesn't have a fixed home. He just takes his home with him.
Isn't that cool? You never have to worry about where you live. Your home is always with you.
Is he yours?
Yes.
Smart boy. Yes, he is.
Oh, Dad, come look at this crab.
Josh, you walked away without telling anyone.
I could see Mum from here.
We couldn't see you.
I am sorry.
When you move, you tell someone, okay?
Yes. Sorry, Dad.
Is that a hermit crab?
Yes, and Dad, it carries its shell everywhere. Its home is always with it. I was just telling them.
I heard.
Isn't that the best thing?
Yeah, Josh, that's the best thing.
I can't move.
Me neither.
Is this what tired feels like when it's good?
What do you mean?
Like sometimes tired feels bad, like school tired, but this tired feels,
Different.
yeah,
Happy tired.
happy tired, that's it.
Is it, Ella?
A sailboat.
She sees the boat. She's never seen the sea before, or a boat, or any of this. No, she hasn't.
She's seeing it for the first time.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like.
Was that why she came all the way here earlier by herself just to touch the wave? Maybe.
She is our little explorer. They are asleep.
The moment their body went down the bed.
We had a good day.
Very good day.
Despite...
Despite everything, yes.
I've been thinking about what Josh said about the crab.
The shell?
That it carries its home with it everywhere it goes.
I think that's us, isn't it? We moved, the kids moved, everything changed.
Josh said that?
In his own way, yes.
He's 7.
I know.
Dad,
Yeah?
can we go back tomorrow? To the beach?
Yes, Josh.
Thank you for watching today. Today's story was at the beach. Dad saw a jellyfish and was scared, then Mom came like a superhero and saved the day. Yeah,
Josh,
it happened, Dad. People saw it.
let's talk about some of the English words from today's story.
Beach, wave, sunscreen, crabs, jellyfish.
And lost. We learned the word lost today. I wasn't lost. I knew exactly where I was.
We didn't know where you were.
Okay, I am sorry I got everyone worried about me. Please do not go out without telling your parents so that they won't be worried about you.
Leave a comment. What was your favorite part of today's story?
The crab, obviously. The wave. Every moment. Goo goo gaga!
See you next time. Bye. She said bye.
That was not bye.
It was close enough.